Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to evaluate this piecewise function. So it just wants to know, what is f of 3 if f of x equals x squared minus 6 if x is less than 4, or 5 if x is greater than or equal to 4. So first it's f of, so we know we're going to be using this function here. Second, we have the 3. So the 3 is what we're going to plug in. So which of these two does it get plugged into? Well, 3 is less than 4. And 3 is not greater than or equal to 4. So it can't be this lower function. We're going to be plugging into the top piece because it meets the domain requirement. 3 is less than 4. So now all we do is just plug it in for x. So this will be 3 squared minus 6. And that's what f of 3 is going to be. So all this was telling us was which function to plug it into, the top or the bottom. 3 squared is 9. Minus 6, and we get 3. So the answer to f of 3 is 3. So once again, with this piecewise function, we just had to figure out which one do we plug it into, the top or the bottom, and that's based on which domain it's defined for. And the it is the 3. It's what domain this 3 is defined for. And we can check the answer right here. And yeah, the answer is 3. It's the same work we just did. If you want to try more of these, there's this page on andymath.com. There's a whole bunch of these you can try and see if you get the answers for. Wow, there's a lot of them. 21 of them. I'll include a link down below in the description if you want to try it out. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps. Comment below if you have any other math questions you want me to do. I will see what I can do. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.